Okay, I would love to have the tag coming down from the bow, but this is not going to be able to support that. I don't feel confident in that. So I'm just going to take it and make a little tag. Like maybe they've already gotten this and it's sitting down here on the board next to the orange down there. Take a round tip, this is like a 5 or 6, and just poke out the center, kind of hollow it out, then take a little bit of light brown fondant or string and just kind of roll this out and then place it inside there. It's usually not that difficult. Okay, pinch that together so it could be like they've already taken it off. I'll just kind of pop it there and then kind of just pop that there against the orange. And then we'll just write welcome on it because that's pretty easy. You could also, if it's for housewarming, congratulations. If it's, welcome to the neighborhood, then welcome. So let's see. And this is the same color that I used for the grapes. There we go. Okay, let me just take a look at it. Just need another leaf or two in here. I think it's good. There you go. Thought you stumped me on that one of for a housewarming. That was kind of hard, but I think this would go over really well.